In this video, you will learn how to use CoinpayU. Create a CoinpayU account, visit the CoinpayU website and click sign in or register using your email address and password. Then verify your account through an email link. Log into your dashboard. After verification, log into your account to access your user dashboard, where you will see your balance, ads and available offers. Start by viewing ads. Click on the View Ads tab to watch advertisements and earn crypto rewards for each ad you've successfully viewed. Complete offers and surveys. Go to Offers section to complete simple tasks such as app downloads, registration or surveys to increase your earnings. Refer a friend and earn more. Use a unique referral link to invite others. You'll earn a small percentage of their activity as a bonus. Withdraw your earnings. Once you've reached the minimum payout threshold, go to withdrawal. Then, your preferred selected cryptocurrency wallet and transfer your funds. Now you know how to use CoinpayU. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.